What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into 35 amazing Amazon home and kitchen gadgets that you never knew you needed. I've found some absolute gems that will make your life so much easier. Wait until you see number 17. It's a total game changer. Let's get started with these mind-blowing finds. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Ototo mushroom is currently priced at $13.95 on Amazon. This product is a brilliant silicone funnel that transforms into a mushroom shape, making liquid transfers mess-free and storage easy. Its wide-mouth design and flexible material prevent spills while pouring into bottles and jars. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and cleverly designed to fold flat, it's both practical and adorable. A must-have kitchen tool that makes pouring tasks effortless. Electric salt and pepper grinder set is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. The rechargeable pepper grinder offers convenience with one-hand automatic operation and fast Type-C charging. Its adjustable coarseness allows for personalized seasoning, while the 70mm see-through container minimizes refills. Enjoy freshly ground spices easily and efficiently, enhancing your culinary experience. Smart Cooking Thermometer is currently priced at $63.98 on Amazon. The Smart Cooking Thermometer simplifies meal preparation with real-time temperature updates and cooking presets. Its quad sensors ensure accuracy from any angle, while long-range connectivity allows remote monitoring. With waterproof probes and fast charging, it's a must-have for precise cooking. Alas Sushi Making Kit is currently priced at $25.99 on Amazon. The Alas Sushi Making Kit simplifies the sushi making process at home, featuring essential tools like a sushi knife, bamboo mats, and a rice bazooka. Perfect for beginners, it includes a cookbook and ebook, ensuring delicious results for family and friends. Multifunctional Meat Chopper is currently priced at $17.63 on Amazon. This multifunctional meat chopper is a must-have for any kitchen. Its 5-blade design effortlessly mashes and mixes foods while being heat-resistant and safe for all cookware. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup, making meal prep a breeze. Mime Kitchen Silicone Pastry Mat is currently priced at $8.99 on Amazon. The Mime Kitchen Silicone Pastry Mat is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Its non-stick surface eliminates the need for flour, making dough handling effortless. With high heat resistance and easy cleanup, it's durable, versatile, and perfect for all baking tasks. Rice Storage Container is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. The rice storage container is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With a 25 pounds capacity, sealed design, and user-friendly dispensing, it keeps your rice fresh and hygienic. The transparent measuring cup simplifies portioning, while its sleek design saves valuable counter space. Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer is currently priced at $28.99 on Amazon. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer is a fantastic kitchen tool that makes food preservation effortless. With just one button press, it seals both wide and regular mouth jars in 40 seconds, eliminating the need for manual pumping. Perfect for meal prep and extending food freshness, its cordless design and included lids make storage simple and efficient. Meat Injector Syringe Kit is currently priced at $22.39 on Amazon. The stainless steel meat injector is a must-have for flavor enthusiasts. Its durable construction easily pierces tough meats, while the ergonomic design ensures comfort. With dishwasher-safe parts and a large capacity, it simplifies marinating for juicy, flavorful dishes at any gathering. Multifunctional Cheese and Vegetable Shredder is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. This multifunctional cheese and vegetable shredder is a must-have for any kitchen. With its 3 stainless steel blades, you can easily shred or slice cheese and veggies in seconds. Safe, easy to clean, and compact for storage, it enhances food prep efficiency. pasta maker is currently priced at $39.99 on Amazon. This pasta maker offers a smooth, consistent texture with adjustable thickness settings for customized dough. Crafted from food-grade aluminum alloy, it ensures durability and safety. The easy-to-clean design and versatile cutter enhance its appeal for all pasta enthusiasts. Enjoy gourmet meals at home. Gourmet breakfast maker is currently priced at $19.99 on Amazon. The gourmet breakfast maker is perfect for busy mornings, delivering flawless omelets and snacks in minutes. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the preheat indicator guarantees optimal cooking. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for making delicious meals effortlessly. Grillaholic's stuffed burger press is currently priced at $19.95 on Amazon. The Grillaholic's stuffed burger press is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It effortlessly creates perfectly uniform, stuffed patties bursting with flavor. Cleanup is a breeze with BPA-free materials, making it fun and convenient for the whole family to enjoy cooking together. Can opener is currently priced at $21.22 on Amazon. The can opener offers a hygienic solution for easily opening cans without touching the food or leaving sharp edges. Its lock-on technology ensures a secure grip, while mini pliers allow for effortless lid removal, enhancing safety and convenience in the kitchen. Electric griddle pan is currently priced at $33.99 on Amazon. The electric griddle pan is a must-have for quick and delicious meals, allowing you to cook up to 8 pancakes or eggs simultaneously. With its durable non-stick surface, adjustable temperature, and convenient drip tray, meal preparation is efficient and hassle-free, perfect for family gatherings and travel. Pastry scraper is currently priced at $7.99 on Amazon. This stainless steel bench scraper is a must-have kitchen tool. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while the ribbed handle provides a secure grip for effortless scooping and slicing. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy after meal prep. Automatic pot stirrer is currently priced at $78.95 on Amazon. The patented hands-free stirrer revolutionizes cooking by effortlessly stirring soups and sauces, preventing burning. With a quiet motor, it self-adjusts to various pot sizes, offers variable speed control, and boasts a long battery life. Ideal for busy kitchens. Bamboo bread slicer is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. This bamboo bread slicer simplifies homemade baking by offering 3 thickness options for perfect cuts. Its foldable design saves counter space, while the built-in crumb tray keeps your kitchen tidy. The included knife ensures clean, even slices every time. Food Nutrition Kitchen Scale is currently priced at $18.99 on Amazon. The Food Nutrition Kitchen Scale enhances your cooking experience with precise sensors and a spacious weighing area. Its integration with the VSync app allows for personalized nutrition goals and barcode scanning, making tracking your dietary intake effortless and efficient. Perfect for health-conscious cooks. Digital meat thermometer is currently priced at $22.95 on Amazon. The digital meat thermometer features a large, easy-to-read LCD display and registers temperatures from -40°F to 302°F. Its stainless steel probe ensures accuracy, while the storage sleeve provides internal temperature recommendations, making it an essential tool for perfectly cooked meats. Meatball Master is currently priced at $33.99 on Amazon. The Meatball Master effortlessly transforms 2.2 pounds of meat into perfectly portioned 1-ounce meatballs, ensuring even cooking. Its innovative design allows for easy removal, even from the freezer, making meal prep quick and convenient. A must-have for any kitchen. Versatile Countertop Air Fryer is currently priced at $99.99 on Amazon. The Versatile Countertop Air Fryer offers multiple cooking functions like air frying, baking, and roasting, making meal prep effortless. With 17 presets, a spacious 10-liter capacity, and easy cleanup, It ensures healthier meals quickly, all while minimizing oil usage. Ideal for families. Multi-spice container is currently priced at $4.97 on Amazon. This segmented spice container is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. With 6 popular spices neatly organized, each compartment features a convenient flip-top shaker lid for easy access. Enjoy the benefits of neat storage and effortless seasoning, enhancing your cooking experience. Knife sharpener is currently priced at $18.39 on Amazon. The Orange Ninja 4-in-1 Knife sharpener makes sharpening effortless with its 4 slots for coarse, medium, fine, and serrated blades. Its ergonomic design suits both left and right-handed users, ensuring quick and effective sharpening for all types of kitchen knives. Keurig coffee maker is currently priced at $59.99 on Amazon. This compact Keurig coffee maker is perfect for small spaces, brewing 6 to 12 ounces cups quickly. Its 1-cup reservoir ensures freshness, while the removable drip tray fits travel mugs up to 7 inches. Energy efficient with auto shutoff, it's a must-have for coffee lovers. Collapsible pasta drying rack is currently priced at $29.99 on Amazon. This compact pasta dryer rack is a must-have for pasta lovers. Its quick setup and rotary arms streamline the drying process, while detachable, foldable arms make cleaning and storage a breeze. Perfect for anyone seeking convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Rotato Express is currently priced at $19.98 on Amazon. The Rotato Express is a must-have kitchen gadget for effortless peeling. Its hands-free operation and non-slip stability ensure convenience and safety. With spare blades included and a handy thumb knife for precision tasks, it's perfect for any home chef looking to save time. Silicone collapsible funnel set is currently priced at $5.38 on Amazon. These silicone collapsible funnels are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With their heat resistance, assorted sizes, and vibrant colors, they simplify cooking and baking. Plus, their space-saving design makes storage effortless, and they're easy to clean. Perfect for busy families. Versatile Kitchen Gadgets set is currently priced at $8.39 on Amazon. The Versatile Kitchen Gadgets set is essential for any kitchen. With its compact design, ergonomic handles, and high-quality stainless steel blades, it simplifies food prep tasks. Perfect for saving space and enhancing convenience, this set is a thoughtful gift for any cooking enthusiast. Oil dispenser bottle is currently priced at $9.99 on Amazon. The dual-function oil spray bottle is a must-have for every kitchen. Made from BPA-free materials, its sleek design allows for precise oil control while preventing messy spills. With a generous 470 milliliter capacity, it's perfect for healthy cooking and effortless pouring. Toaster tongs is currently priced at $9.99 on Amazon. The bamboo toast tongs are a must-have kitchen tool, allowing you to safely grab toast without burns or scratches. Their food-safe material and versatile design make them perfect for flipping meats or serving treats, while the magnetic holder ensures easy storage. Butane torch is currently priced at $20.99 on Amazon. The Sandico culinary torch is an essential tool for any kitchen enthusiast. Its safety lock, adjustable flame, and ease of use make it perfect for caramelizing desserts or searing meats. Portable and refillable, it's versatile for both cooking and outdoor activities. Bloom Steamer basket is currently priced at $12 on Amazon. The Bloom Steamer is a versatile kitchen essential, fitting pots from 7 inches in diameter. Its self-adjusting sides and easy lift fork hook enhance convenience. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe and stylish, offering ample cooking capacity while being easy to store. Adjustable measuring spoon is currently priced at $8 on Amazon. This versatile measuring gadget simplifies cooking with easy-to-read indicators and adjustable volume settings. Measuring both wet and dry ingredients, it's perfect for precise cooking. Its dismantleable design ensures hassle-free cleaning, while being dishwasher safe adds to its convenience in the kitchen. Egg separator is currently priced at $7.99 on Amazon. This egg cracking gadget elevates kitchen prep by featuring a raised edge that prevents messes while cracking. Its egg separator effortlessly divides yolks from whites, and the non-slip grip ensures comfort and precision, making cooking and baking easier and cleaner. Phew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of 35 Amazon home and kitchen gadgets. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments how many gadgets you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.